all to Darwin Explores. Darwin Explores.
Hi kids, it's me, Darwin. I'm up super high in a hot air balloon. I heard you want to go on a new exploration today. Okay, let's go down to my study. Let's go down. We're here in my study. All of my important explorations start right here in my study. I heard you want to learn about farm animals. My cousin Ray Ray has a farm.
Heck yeah!
Yeehaw! On a farm, there are chickens, cows, pigs, horses, and sheep. All right, it's a long way to get to cousin Ray Ray's farm. Are you ready to travel with me? Okay, let's go. We finally made it to the farm. I think I hear an animal. I see an animal. Can you guess what it is? It's pink and round and has a snorty nose. That's right, it's a pig. Come on, let's go see some pigs. Wow, look at all these pigs. There's so many! Did you know there are over 2 billion pigs in the world? If you lined up all those pigs end to end, that's enough to go to the moon and back 3 times! Wow! Wow! Most people think pigs are dirty animals, but actually, they're very clean. They roll around in the mud when they get hot. That's why people think they're dirty. Muddy pigs. Pigs love apples. There's an apple tree over there. I'm gonna go pick an apple for a pig. That was a weird dream. Do you want to keep exploring the farm and finding new animals? Oh, I think I see some. They're black and white, and some are brown, making a moo sound. Do you know what they are? That's right, they're cows. Let's go see them up close. Look at that cow. He's chewing grass.
I love grass.
Did you know cows chew grass for up to 8 hours a day?
Yummy.
There are all different types of cows, and they all look different. Look at all these cows.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm a cow. Moo. Hello. Hi.
Whoa, that's a lot of cows. Did you know cows can't see the color red or green? All right, that's enough of these cows. Let's go see some other farm animals. I think I see one. It's little and it's making a cluck sound. What could it be? Professor Smart Brain Powers, activate! Oh wait, it's just a chicken. That's not just any chicken, that's a farm chicken! There's lots of interesting things to learn about chickens. You've probably seen these colored eggs in the grocery store. But did you know chickens lay eggs in all of these colors? Wow, it's like a rainbow. Chickens are the most common bird in the entire world. There's 4 birds for every 1 person. Chickens are flightless birds. That means they can't really fly that well. Better than penguins though. Hey, oh, that hurt, stop. Whoa, that chicken was mean. All right, let's go find some more farm animals before he comes back. Whoa, I think I see some animals down there. They're big. I think I could ride them. And they're making a neigh sound. Do you know what they are? That's right, they're horses. All right, let's go see some horses. Come on. Did you know that horses have the biggest eyes of any land mammal? Did you know there are over 300 different breeds of horses? Each one is bred for a different purpose. Some horses like to race, and some horses like to pull stuff.
I like to pull stuff.
Horses can run over 30 miles an hour. Some horses have been measured at over 40. That horse could get a speeding ticket. All right, last animal. Are you ready? They're over there. They're white and they're fluffy and they like to hang out with lots of friends. Do you know what they are? That's right, it's a sheep. All right, let's go see some sheep. Come with me. Whoa, look at all those sheep. Did you know that sheep are actually incredibly smart animals who have been known to solve complex problems? They also can remember up to 50 different sheep
Timmy,
friends.
Bart, Fiona, Craig, Randy, Danny, Tina.
Did you know that sheep's wool has been used for clothing across the world? Just like these cozy socks. All right, that's all the farm animals we have time for today. But you know what that means. It's quiz. All right, question number 1. Which of these 4 animals is a horse? Which of these 4 is a horse? That's right, it's this one. It's a horse. Good job. All right, question number 2. Which of these 4 animals is a chicken? You're right, it's this one. It's a chicken. Good job. Okay, question number 3. Which of these 4 animals is a cow? That's right, it's this one. It's a cow. Good job. Question number 4. Which of these 4 animals is a pig? Which one's a pig? That's right, it's this one. Good job. Okay, question number 5. It's our last question. Which of these 4 animals is a sheep? Wait a minute, they're all sheep. What the heck? That was so fun exploring the farm with you today. If you want to go on more adventures with me, Darwin, ask your parents to subscribe to Darwin Explores. Until next time.
Darwin Explores, all things unbelievable and incredible. Darwin Explores, numbers and animals to construction. Darwin Explores, Darwin Explores, welcome all to Darwin Explores. Darwin Explores.